Zhengzhou 6th Mechanical Electrical Equipment Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise which has integrating R&D, production, and sales. Company registered capital is 5 million, is a professional manufacturer of hot air welding machine, eyelet machine, XY cutting machine, eyelet. We focus on the production and sales of PVC hot air welding machine and eyelet machine for many years. Cici-LIUDU, as factory with independent research and development capabilities, has the professional technical team. Company has passed the National High-Tech Enterprise Certification, CE and ROSE certification, and obtained 26 national patents. We have strong new product development capabilities to meet customers' various customized services. We provides the high-quality machines and considerate consult service, professional operation guidance, and excellent after-sales service to clients all over the world for more than 180 countries and regions. We attend exhibitions home and abroad, like Dubai, Brazil, Mexico, Turkey, Peru, India, etc. Guangzhou and Shanghai international exhibitions and welcomed by local clients. Cici-LIUDU, as a manufacturer, we have our own warehouse. All machine have enough stock and fast delivery can be guaranteed. We can offer professional after-sales service and accept OEM. We welcome all the clients from all over the world to communicate and cooperate with us, to be our partners, grow up together, and we provide the best supports to all our global agents.
Hi, this is Cici from Cici-LIUDU factory. We have passed the National High-Tech Enterprise Certification, CE and ROSE certification, obtained 26 national patents. We provide products with factory price. Also, we can meet all kinds of customized service. Cici-LIUDU factory, waiting for cooperating with you.